If I win by less than 2 points.
I just said wait. I didn't say the
Okay.
win. Yeah.
Oh.
He's berserking you again. Wow.
He's having so much fun.
Very aggressive.
This young boy. This one, really. I wanted Queen C7. Choking. Everybody's choking now.
Time's up.
Yeah,
Not
over.
Yet. Blah. Snap back.
To reality.
Oh.
The humanity.
There goes gravity. Ooh la la.
He's playing really fast. Have to give him that.
Indeed.
But on the surface it looks...
Oh, motherfucker, I blundered.
Not too hard.
Yeah, but still enough to...
To flag.
Okay, this one.
Just don't...
Seriously? Oh! He was... Point, obviously. Or if I had a streak, 2 points. Okay, he's not berserking anymore. Okay. Doing pretty well here. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, knight f5 is good. Probably has bishop c5 and then rook c1. Yeah, he usually spots some little tricks. Can go rook c5 actually. Queen d6. Fine. Now I was intending to take on here and rook c8. Yeah, I don't think he has any dangerous... Hopefully he will spend some time looking for some tactics here, but I don't think he has any. And exactly what I hoped would happen happened. I don't think this gave him anything at all. Knight d4, I just take on d5. Probably shouldn't have allowed... Oh, knight b3. Okay, he didn't see it. Oh, tricky guy, queen g3, if I took.
Always some tricks.
b1, should be mate. Okay, let's mate on next. Others, and Alireza lost. Now I get him again. Okay, so tense. So tense. I don't know what to do here. I really don't. Okay, we'll go for knight d5. And then push. Like a red army.
But that's really reassuring, Magnus. You're the world champion. And even you don't know what to do in the openings sometimes. Really, that's...
I know.
I found some green one.
For us Patzers, that's like, okay.
Oh, he's just going really going all in on the king side here,
We're
huh?
not the only ones. Yeah.
Bishop a7. Yeah, that
should be winning.
Should be as winning as it gets.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Too much Møller as we say.
Yeah. He resigns and we're back. But I'm in the lead now, finally. And he's not berserking this time. Okay, interesting.
And Alireza drew, so he's not on the streak anymore.
Oh, good.
Yep, that's good news.
Okay, bishop g5. Queen f3 will take everything, I guess. Oh, that was meant for d1.
He's fast.
I don't know why I played like this. Probably just a little worse now, but it's fine. I'm gonna try and play fast to release g1. It's got d5, but it doesn't work. And Oh. Oh, this doesn't work. Just getting an extra pawn. Oh, he does have compensation though. Just a bit annoying. How should I actually deal with this? It's more annoying than I thought. Can go bishop g3. Seems to exchange more stuff. This is very tense. Very tense. Okay. He was gonna... Ah, I missed this check. Mother. Ah, and I'm losing on time as well. Okay, he's choking a little bit. He's actually choking a lot.
Do it, do it, do it.
You want a little one, Askill?
Okay.
Okay, but
He
that's
made